are the ways you get your views on time. It is very, very important for you to note all these things I'm sharing with you. It is a very, very secret that people cannot share with anybody. But this is how they make content. This is how they get their viral content. Now, another thing you need to be doing is do not ignore your YouTube Studio Analytics. It is very, very important because whenever you make a videos, whenever people watch the videos, you will see that this analytic will always publish the geographical area of people who are watching your videos, the retention, the amount of time people spend watching your videos. This analytic will surely bring all these things. So what you need to be doing is after making your videos and after publishing it, when it get views, just go there and check the analytic, see the retention, see the amount of time people spend watching your video. If it is not more than, or if it is not even up to 1 minute, or if it is like 10 seconds or 15 seconds, it shows that something is wrong with your video. And when your video did not have high retention, YouTube will not recommend it to another viewers. When people just watch and let me say they just watch 20 seconds and scroll away, it shows that they don't like the content, the way you make it, whether they don't like it. So they go and watch another person soon. So why it is very, very important for you to check this is for you to know the mistakes you are making on your videos. Whether the intro is too much, you just need to cut it off, then go directly to the content you are making. Go directly to the solution you are providing. That's why it's very, very important for you to study this. The retention is very, very hard. It should be very, very important, yes, because this will actually make you to improve your content. It will actually make you to know where you are making the mistakes in your videos, how you will continue to improve your content, because your content need to be professional for people to watch it. Don't forget, you don't need high gadgets. What you need is just your camera, your lighting, and your mic that will produce your audio. That's why it's very, very important for you to always study your YouTube analytics. Now, another thing is for you to have a call to action. This call to action is when you make a video and you are editing it, this call to action will tell people to subscribe. This thing that usually pop up, that will say subscribe, click on notification. That little thing you are seeing on the video right now is what we call to actions. Put it there. When people are watching your videos, show that they will not forget to subscribe. This thing will pop up and it will surely signal to people that you have to subscribe after watching this video. That's why it's very, very important. Do not ignore this call to action. It's very, very important. Now, another way to have this your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber is go to your YouTube studio, go to the customization. Below it, you will see video watermark. Add a subscriber button in this your video watermark so that whenever people open your videos, the first thing they will see is the subscribe button below. Whether you put it at the below or at the top, it will always show throughout your videos. Depends on how you want it to show. But these are the ways to call people to subscribe to your channel and for them to watch your videos. Another thing you need to be doing is produce a long form videos. Long form videos usually get large amount of retention, and people will stay longer watching the video. Then it will surely the watch hour will surely make you to get your 4,000 watch hours, because just imagine 10,000 people watch that long form videos. Then just imagine they watch like 5 minutes, or they watch like 1 minute of it, multiply by 10,000. You know how many thousand is that? That is 10,000 watch hours. That's why it's very, very important for you to make a long form videos. Long form videos will quickly make you to get your 4,000 watch hours and also your 1,000 subscribers. So don't forget about this. Make a long form videos to surely get you to your destination. Now, the last thing I actually want you to do is be original. Make your content very well. Let people to know that yes, this content it is made by you. You did everything, and you try your best and you upload it. Make them subscribe. Make them like you. Be free with your audience. Tell them why you are here. Tell them why you are producing this solution. That's how they are going to trust you and subscribe, and also get you to reach your 4,000 watch hours. Another thing you don't need to ignore is do not ignore the post under your channel. This post is where you post the latest video you just posted. You can copy the link and post it there. Tell people to go and watch it and also subscribe. Just write it there. It's a way of posting on YouTube. So it's another place you can actually type in your subscribe so that people can quickly go there and subscribe. to your channel. These are the ways you can quickly get your 1,000 subscribers and also your 4,000 watch hours. And the last thing is be consistent with everything I have said. Be consistent with it. Your content, be consistent with them, and always publish video. Continue to upload video so that the YouTube algorithm will surely know the kind of niche you belong to, and get to recommend your videos to people who are currently searching that certain kind of niche. That's why it's very, very important for you to always be consistent with everything you are doing. That's the work of YouTube algorithm, to dictate your niche and categorize you over there. That's why it is very, very important for you to be very, very consistent. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, be part of those who watch it first. Thank you guys.
Yeah.